All right, Louis Porcelino, Man Over Market, and this is December 16th, the E-mini cap recap. I'm sorry I didn't do it midday, but I was trading up a storm today, and I think the market was awesome. We had a 4,800 point range. All right, so I want to just go over some of these tweets for you. And, we talked about getting inside value. We talked about different things today. I'm going to start putting out some oil recommendations. All right. So this morning I said the ES, the YM, TF, 5 minute pivots in a buy, waiting for the NASDAQ to go to a buy. I gave you the number that should go in. Bull Bear Zone was 1989. All right. If you take a look at the times I put these out, guys, and girls, it was you could have caught these moves. I talked. This is oil. I'll go over that in another time. All right. We needed the 15-minute close above 92 to bring in sellers. We closed above 92 after we went through the bull bear zone. And then I said we need the 15-minute to 30-minute to close above 99.75. We did that, and we were going for the single prints up at we got above 99 and a quarter, which was the value area high. We went to the single prints. I posted it. We were going to do that. Looking for the single prints up to 12 and a quarter. All right. And we got up to 11 half. Okay. And then the market settled down from that. And then I posted that we had a 10-point retracement from the top. Watch the bull bear zone, 89. 5 minute close number 88. Bring sellers back. That was the 5 minute close again. All right. ES 5 minute close, pivot now in a sell. Bull bear zone 89. And Q now in a sell, looking for a takeout value area low, 81.75. And then I posted this early, and this is what gets us, guys and girls. We took out 1981.75 from 88. I was looking for these targets, and what do? They rally them all the way back up, 1,000 points in our face, 10 points in our face. And then I hang on. I hung on. Once we got short, I stayed short. And then I said, 1978, looking for 1973. And I also had put some posts that I was, if it stays under 81 on our site, if I go back to our site to our users, right at the end of the day, I said, all we need to do is stay under IQ now. And so on our site, I said, if we say under 1981.75, I'm looking for to trade the opening. Well, here it is, right here. ES VAL low. If we stay below, looking to trade to the opening range. We went down to 65 or 63 is the low. All right. So I wanted to go through that with you guys because, if you're following me, you can make some dough with this stuff. All right. Now, let's look at the actual charts today. Hold on here. ES. Oh, that's our day chart. That's our day chart. Got us back to look at this low. We may be headed to 1940 here to get that 50% retracement. I am, tomorrow we're going to hear the end of what Ms. Yellen has to say. There's another thing I want to point out today that's going to be real key. I think we may have put the low in because of that. All right. So here is the
Order canceled.
action for the day, right? So this is everything we talked about at 8:30 this morning. We took off on right from the opening, like we've been doing the last basically 3 days. It's been trading the same way, right? Go up here. We take the 5 minute pivot. It goes to a pivot. It goes to a buy. We go through the bull bear zone. We take the 15 minute and the 30 minute pivot. Go up, out through value. Put us right here. All the pink lines were the things that I had on the chart this morning as the single prints, and we stopped short of that 12 and a quarter. What kind of screwed me up because I bought some retracements and then I got stopped out because Then the market, what's it do? It comes back like we always talk about. You get out in the top of value, we get back in here, we get back inside value, and what does this thing do? Goes back out, takes the 5 minute pivot out, goes here, farts around, right? Gets here, rallies 1,000 points in our face, right here at the 1982 75. Exhaustion dot was a key. Exhaustion dot was a key here. And then on the close, they just kill it. They kill it all the way down to 1963. All right. Great trading range. So it was great action today. Now, this may be an indication here that we are getting to the bottom. All right. See here, the mode yesterday was 1982 and a quarter. Here, 1983. It's going to be basically 75 or half. It's going to be the first higher close in a mode in 7 days. First higher close with a mode in 7 days. All right. Now we've had 6 in a row. So this is a little indication to me that the market may be forming a bottom. Maybe forming a bottom. Okay. So I am going to work on the oil stuff. Oil was awesome today. As you can see, here's the mode for here. Here's oil. Great range in oil today. Changed it at 55.36. Okay. I'll bring the oil chart over here. I'm going to do a whole video on oil later on. So oil traded up inside value. It traded to the top of value and then it retreated from there. And now it has taken out the 5 minute pivot. So that is now in a bullish mode, oil. I'm going to do an oil video and I'm going to put it up for you guys later on tonight. I get some more time. So that's what we got. That's what we got. It's going to be interesting what happens tomorrow. Okay, with so oil actually stayed in value almost all day, and then at the end of the day, at post close, it went out and traded below it and took out the 5 minute pivot. So we'll take a look at that. All right, everybody. I've been talking fast. I think a bottom may have been put in, or starting to put the bottom in with that higher mode close. So hopefully you guys made some money. And you know what? I know the rallies are brutal and the breaks are brutal. You just got to be able to trade small enough so you can stick through this stuff. All right, I'll talk to you later. Louis Porcino, Man Over Market. Have a good night. Bye.